Water gun, rechargeable car wash pressure washer is affordable, you guys. I am going to make a video when I wash my. But I don't have room where I'm parking though. I need to have a bigger place. Sus naninda tani day wag yun yung check out. Check out, check out. Check out. So yeah. Let's do this one. I'm excited for this one because I've been wanting to have this. Manglaag taon niya. Manglaag taon niya dili.
Pwede po manglaag. Nakatag roster pa.
Oh lagi sa mga rasa, alauna, alas 2. Unya na.
Pero tutok ko, wala man ko ikaon. Akong ikaon dili kanirang tulog pa po SMS nga. Ba, bikon. Minuno kung lahat. Ako Babi ka wings. All the wings of love.
On the wings of love, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Magtiayon na sila na, mga singer silang kuha. Ka-concert na sila diri sa US.
Kinsa man?
Sweet Notes.
Oh.
Sila sa sila YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Sweet Notes. Ka-concert na sila sa Indiana. Kaya nila Minnesota.
Bye, Roro. Thank you for coming.
Kaliko mo sa kepan.
Ay, okay. And you guys, I'm gonna end this live. I think they tell me that I'm restricted some other, but hi everybody. Okay. Jay. Okay. That one is charging. So I am going to do some unboxing with this one too. Kainit.
Ingon ni, sa pwede mo na kung si Michelle to ano daw, si Honey ni, ingon daw siya na to ano daw siya garisong na.
Oh? Tuan na siya sa Arizona?
Oh no, ingon na Honey ni.
So you guys unboxing. I think she bought a house there. So this is a puppy lush.